Nature has been polluted. Who has polluted it? And who are its worst polluters? Are those who earn the most, polluting nature the most? Who has polluted nature more seriously, the poor or the wealthy? Are those who possess the most wealth harming nature the most? The more we take from nature, the more we accumulate a debt, which we must pay back. Those who are in debt must pay their debts. No one else can pay debts for them, nor should they be allowed to.